Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
What it do, baby? Yeah.
if you are a returning subscriber,
What's up, cousin? What's up?
in today's video, I am giving you guys this Jazmine Sullivan inspired hairstyle here. I have been here for her style in general since she's come back to the music scene. It's just been everything to me. So I'm gonna put the picture up here from where I got this inspiration from. It's just the half up, half down with the swoop bang, you know, kind of 90s inspired. But if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so first of all, forgive me for my voice. I'm a little under the weather. I'm going to be doing this style on some hair I purchased from Hair. It's their 13x4 frontal bob wig in 14 inches and 150 density. I'll link it down in the description box below. Right now, I'm just parting out the section that I'm going to be using for my swoop. Alright, so I'm going to take this wax stick that I got from the beauty supply and place that on the section for my swoop just to lay down any flyaways. And then I'm going to go through it with my hot comb just to further prep it for when I come back to it later. I'm going to use the wax stick and the hot comb for the front area for my ponytail section as well. I'm parting my hair for my ponytail section. On the sides, I parted just enough to have some to cover the tracks on the side. Now, the tracks are going to show in the middle of my head, and you'll see that in the video. However, once I curl the ponytail the way I'm going to curl it, you won't be able to tell. So I'm taking the Lotta Body Foam and Wrap Lotion to lay my hair down and slick it back. I'm then going to go over it with my little hard bristle brush. Then I'm going to follow up with the hot comb to further lay it down, and then I'm just going to put it in the ponytail. Then I'm going to take a piece of hair from the ponytail to wrap around that ponytail holder so that it doesn't show, and just to make the style look better. And of course, you got to use the Got To Be glue freeze spray for extra security and to make sure that hair does not go anywhere. Alright, so now it's time for the swoop. I'm just going to run back through it with the hot comb. And then to slick it down, I'm going to use that Lotta Body Foam and Wrap Lotion and that hard bristle brush just so that I can lay it down flat. I'm going to swoop it as low as I desire, and then I'm going to secure it with just a regular bobby pin.
Alright, so now it's time to curl the hair. I'm going to run the flat iron down the hair like I normally would until I get to the end. I'm going to flip it backwards so that I can get that flip curl that I want. And I'm going to continue doing this until each piece is curled.
That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, I need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.